Okay, we're back for another day. What I did was I cleaned it all out really well and oiled it. So now the bolt, the little catch down here, goes up and down like it's supposed to. It had some wet, I don't know what it was, inside the firing pin channel, grease, oil. Should be dry. Dried it out, completely cleaned it off, and I scrapped my program of 168s in favor of these 125 Spears with 48 IMR 4895. So I'm going to try to shoot 5 at 100 and see what we get. Ha! Click, go, boom. Never hit the primer. It's not very reliable, is it? $26.56. $26.48. $26.47. $26.82. $26.76. That spread's not bad. A 35 at the most. Not great, but let's go check out the target and look for the brass. Okay, I found most of the brass. It's a little dirty, but not too bad. The primers look great. Not over pressurized or anything, as far as I can tell. And let's go see what the target looks like. Okay, this is better than... Okay, this is why I scrapped the program of 168s. I had 168s, they were all over the place. But now we're dealing with... That's good. I don't know if I'm screwing up, so we can't go by that. But anyway, at least 3 of them were somewhat together here, so I can start working with it. I'm just getting started. I hope I can turn it into 5 shots in that size. That would be awesome. Thanks for watching. Immediately after that video, I backed it down to 45.5 from 46, and I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Much better. And the speed was the same on the chronograph, so that means that's a node. So 45.5 is, you know, you should have started at 44 and worked your way up. 45.5 and then 46, I'd had the same speed but worse accuracy. That's a node. Well, I was just lucky to hit the node without doing a ladder, but that's where I'm going to be at for this. And I think that's going to work out well.